Hey guys, welcome back to Adventure. Today is exciting. I have an exciting day for myself personally. It is new bike day. And in the BMX world, and honestly in most high-end bike worlds, you don't necessarily build an entirely new bike. Generally what you do is you take your old bike and you tear it up and you take all the parts off of it and you put it on your new shiny frame, and that's what I have here. This is a new S&M frame that I just picked up the other day. It's a couple years old. I did buy it on the used market, but it's in really good condition. And these frames, honestly, they only kind of make like a limited run of them, and then they don't make them for a long time. They have a habit of going up in price instead of down, so I'm pretty hyped to find a good deal on this thing and put it together. I went and bought some new parts because my bottom bracket in my old bike just doesn't bottom bracket anymore. It doesn't turn at all, so I bought some new parts, a new chain, new headset. I bought all this stuff locally. I could have ordered it probably a little cheaper, but the frame was sort of an impulse buy, and so I sort of just wanted to do all this and see what my new bike is going to look like. And I didn't want to use my crummy old bearings in a fresh new frame, so I went and splurged, bought some new parts at the bike shop, and my friend Garrett came over. He's going to give me a hand assembling this thing and getting it all put together, and then I might ride it around a little bit and just see what it feels like. But if you guys are interested, please stay tuned and give me a like and a subscribe. I think that just about covers it. Hi. Alright, well, Garrett and I mostly have this thing all put together. It didn't take us long to tear down the old frame and put together this one. He and I have both been doing this ourselves for a really long time, and so when we have the two of us together and all the tools, I don't think, it didn't take us, what, less than 30 minutes probably?
15 minutes of work.
Not long at all to do this. This frame, honestly, after having torn it down, it's maybe even in a little worse shape than I thought it was. Definitely replacing the bearings and greasing everything up in my bike was a necessary thing that I've been a bit negligent on. Should do it more often. It's really good to do bike maintenance, and I mean, I'm as bad as anybody with it. But yeah, I'm really excited to ride this new frame. I think it looks beautiful, and I'll probably get it tuned up just a little bit, ride it around some, but it'll be another day when we really go out and genuinely put it through its paces for the first time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the bike build, and let me know in the comments below what you think of my new frame and what you think of the channel. I hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.